Hello, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts, and today is Saturday, so it's a simple stamping Saturday day, and it's a bit different today. So let me flip the camera down and I will show you what we're up to. So I have an empty desk, but the card I have already made is this one. Very simple, but really pretty, and it uses, this is the great thing, it uses the What a Year Memories and More card kit. This is currently on the retirement list from the annual catalogue and is, I kid you not, only £5.55. Add to that a pack of the assorted Memories and More cards for £9.75, and you can make 20 cards almost instantly. So let me show you how I made this card. It's really easy. Oh, and there's a sticker. Well, actually, the first thing I'll do is I'll show you what's left of the pack. I actually have been really naughty. I haven't used an awful lot of the pack. So I need that for later. So we've got some stickers. It's obviously meant for memory keeping. So we've got the odd numbers, and then we've got even numbers. Now, obviously, you can use any, like if you've got a 40th birthday, you could use the 40 sticker. If you've got 50th birthday, etc. Only on the even numbers, because the odd numbers are week 1, week 3. But we've then got some other little stickers. We've got Monday to Sunday. We've got some hearts, some florals, and some little sayings as well. So those are the stickers. These are the large cards. Now, unlike some of our Memories and More packs, there's only one card of each design. So you get one, you have to choose whether you want to use this side or this side. Now, this is obviously for writing information, whereas this side is just a nice pattern. So if you're using it for pocket journaling, you could actually use both sides, because you can write on the one side and then you can do something exciting on the other side, and you won't have to choose. So lots and lots of lovely cards, and as I say, not all of them are for memory keeping. Some of them are, but you can have Celebrate as you could choose Celebrate rather than the memory keeping side. Lovely floral. This is the same design as the card that I chose. And then we've got days. Now, obviously, this would also go well with the magnetic board. So you could use these on that as well. But lots and lots and lots of amazing cards. These are the 6x4s. I mean, that's a card on itself. In fact, you could use that. You could cut it down and put it on some Bumblebee card, assuming it's still in stock, because I'm thinking that's Bumblebee. Let me tell you the colours. Actually, they are. Let me just pull those up. Bear with me. Basic grey, Bumblebee, evergreen, evening evergreen, pale papaya, polished pink, pool party, and poppy parade. So some lovely colours to choose from. So those are the larger cards, and then the smaller cards are these. I have used some. So we've got rainbows, happy, 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 little birdies, and won't ever forget, more little birdies this week. We did amazing things. Hi there, or here is the story. Floral again. Keys. So that would be a great new home card, or 21st or 16th birthday card, depending on when you celebrate these things, or 18th birthday card, dare I say. Some lovely scissors. Today was lovely scissors. You could fussy cut, well, I would fussy cut those out, frankly, but really lovely. Remember this, days of the week, more rainbow, little bunny, instant Easter card. Happy day, smile, 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 life is beautiful. So those are the cards that I've got left. I'm actually going to use this card for my tutorial, for want of a better word, because frankly, tutorial? Let's take a small Memories and More card, fold it in half, grab a bone folder that was, for once in its life, away where it should be, turn my Memories and More card over, grab some Stampin' Seal. Oh, and I do still have some of my adhesive pouches available. So if you want to grab one of those, you can go and have a look at my website. And I want to say it was the 31st of March I posted about it. They are available, and you can just click the PayPal button and we are good to go. So that's that. I've got my envelope, and I also have, I think there's about to be a crash as my door slams shut. I'm filming this in really nice weather. So this is a piece of the backing from Dimensionals, and I'm going to pop that under there because I'm going to, instead of stamping, because we're not stamping today, I'm going to pull the little rainbow sticker, pop that on the back of my card, of my envelope rather, and then when I come to seal it, I can just pull that away and stick it down. So I've done the same on this card. So again, this is that non-stick paper. So those are my really simple cards. I mean, ridiculously simple. And so if you've got 2 packs of the Memories and More envelopes and cards, you could use all of the cards to make cards, if you see what I mean. So you can use all of these cards to make cards really quickly. So my stepped up versions, this uses so this is fussy cut. This was just on a card by itself, and the other side had, I think, I love, or love this, something like that. But I just fussy cut that out, so that was what it looked like, and I've stuck it on top of one of the houses that was in a row, and I've just chosen the Hi Friend sticker, and obviously this and this are on Dimensionals. So that's my first stepped up card. My second one is this one, which has got polished pink, polished pink, polished pink, polished pink, iridescent, but just lots of pink. And the always came from this card, and then obviously there's some strips there, and it just had this bumblebee floral on the back. So I just cut it down with my trimmer and made that card, put some polished polished pink open weave ribbon round, and there's our card. All in pretty in pink. So we've got our rainbow that we've just made together, our pot plant, our house, and our clouds. So there you are. Really quick, really easy. None of them difficult. Just using a bit more product along the way. So this is just the card kit, but fussy cutting. This is the card kit plus ribbon and an embellishment. So yeah, have a play. £5.55, I think. Let me just check. I'm sure I said it was £5.55. Yep, £5.55, reduced from £9.25. Add some Memories and More, the assorted Memories and More card pack, and some adhesive, and you're away. 20 cards for £16. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. So have fun with those. I hope you have a fantastic Easter. I will be back live on Tuesday morning, 11 o'clock UK time, for a crafting video, and I will be beginning to sneak peek some of the new products coming from the new annual catalogue. Hopefully by Tuesday the catalogues will be in the post to my lovely customers, and so they'll be getting those and getting their wish lists sorted out. So Have a fantastic weekend. Let me just flip the camera up so I can say goodbye properly. Have a fantastic weekend. Have a really good Easter. Certainly if you're in the UK and most of Europe, you'll have a bank holiday on Monday as well. So have a really nice long weekend, and I will see you again very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.